Imagine earning more money than your parents did, but still feeling broke every single month. You have a decent job. You eat at restaurants. You buy things online. Maybe you even take a vacation once in a while. But there's one problem. Your credit card balance never seems to disappear. Meet Jake. Jake is 29. He makes around $60,000 a year. One Friday night, his friends invite him to dinner. The bill is $85. No big deal. A few days later, his car needs a $700 repair. He doesn't have $700 sitting in his checking account. Then comes a new phone, then an online shopping order, then a weekend trip. Each purchase feels small. $50 here, $100 there, $300 next month. But then the next paycheck arrives, and most of it is already gone. Imagine Jake ends up with a $5,000 balance. He pays the minimum every month. It feels responsible, but the balance barely moves. Why? Because part of his payment is going toward interest. Then something unexpected happens. His rent goes up. Groceries become more expensive. His insurance bill increases. So he uses the credit card again. Credit cards make spending incredibly easy. You don't physically feel $100 leaving your wallet. You just tap, swipe, click, done. Because a credit card doesn't just let you spend money. It lets you spend future money today. And that's why someone can have a good salary, but very little of that salary actually belongs to them. Debt doesn't usually happen with one giant purchase. It happens with hundreds of small decisions, until one day you realize you're not spending your money anymore. You're spending your future. And that's how an average American can slowly drown in credit card debt.